After our Macau adventure, it's time to go to Hong Kong! We arrived early at the port because we don't want to be late.
Ride the turbojet ferry.
It takes an hour going to Hong Kong.
Fill out the disembarkment form.
Wait for the train.
Look for the food to eat.
Eat dinner!
Watch Symphony of Lights.
Listen to your Google Maps.
Google knows best.
Stroll the Avenue of Stars for a while. Going to subway.
Tap your card.
Enjoy the nature in Botanical Garden.
When you're hungry,
Eat your baon.
enjoy the green surroundings.
For lunch,
Eat Filipino fast food.
wait for your turn going to Peak Tram.
Take a picture in Madame Tussauds.
Enjoy the overlooking of Hong Kong.
After the viewing, get your snacks.
Waffle with ice cream.
Ride the bus going home.
Let the adventure begin.
In Ocean Park.
Do what Dora the Explorer do.
Fall in line for the cable car.
Enjoy the ride.
Watch the sleepyhead panda.
Get amazed with the sea lions.
Ride the Ferris wheel.
Have fun watching the dolphin show. After long adventure,
Get enough sleep. Do shopping in Mongkok.
time to go home.